Hey guys, this is just a quick demo of how to assemble and disassemble the risers that I have listed online for sale. So as you can see, this is it here, flat and stacked. I recommend that you take the two side pieces and first assemble from the bottom up with the middle supports. So you slide that in like that, and then slide this one in. The first one's the hardest because everything's kind of wobbly, but now that you've got it a little bit stable, then we take our next two, slide them in. Then you're going to take your shelves, slide them in a little bit up and down until they sit into their tabs. Slide that shelf in, and lastly, put it on the top. There you go. Now we are fully assembled. You can see the whole thing. Now, one thing to note is that you cannot pick them up by the shelves. The shelves will pop up. So you do, when you lift it, want to grab these edges and lift up and down, and you can move it, and it's very stable. You can see that the downward pressure is very, very stable as well. I have a few glasses to show what kind of weight it will hold, and some size references. There we go. And disassembly is very easy as well. Just like we built from the bottom up, I recommend taking it down from the top to the bottom. So take off your shelves, hold these down. Be careful not to twist or you could break off the tabs, but they slide off very easily. And then keep this holding or else it might snap, but slide that piece off, and then slide that piece off, and you're done.